After 25 years and over $10 billion on Christmas Day 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, was finally launched into space by a European Ariane 5 rocket. With its 6.5-meter primary mirror and its tennis court-sized sun shield, Webb had to be folded up to fit in the rocket's fairing, only to be deployed step by step in the first 2 weeks of its mission. Now, the first proper images of deep space were captured by the James Webb Space Telescope, which is released today, July 12th. On Monday, July 11th, President Joe Biden released one of the James Webb Space Telescope's first images in a preview event at the White House in Washington. And today, Tuesday, July 12th, NASA, in partnership with ESA, European Space Agency, and CSA, Canadian Space Agency, released the full set of Webb's first full-color images and spectroscopic data during a televised broadcast at 10:30 a.m. from NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope revealed unprecedented and detailed views of the universe with the release of its first full-color images and spectroscopic data. This list of cosmic objects that Webb targeted for these first observations, which released at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday, July 12th. Each image will simultaneously be available on social media as well as on the partner agencies' websites. These listed targets below represent the first wave of full-color scientific images and spectra the observatory has gathered and the official beginning of Webb's general science operations. They were selected by an international committee of representatives from NASA, ESA, CSA, and the Space Telescope Science Institute. The release of these first images marks the official beginning of Webb's science operations, which will continue to explore the mission's key science themes. Teams have already applied through a competitive process for time to use the telescope in what astronomers call its first cycle, or first year of observations. WASP-96b is a giant planet outside our solar system, composed mainly of gas. The planet, located nearly 1,150 light-years from Earth, orbits its star every 3.4 days. It has about half the mass of Jupiter, and its discovery was announced in 2014. The Southern Ring, or Eight-burst Nebula, is a planetary nebula, an expanding cloud of gas surrounding a dying star. It is nearly half a light-year in diameter and is located approximately 2,000 light-years away from Earth. About 290 million light-years away, Stephan's Quintet is located in the constellation Pegasus. It is notable for being the first compact galaxy group ever discovered. 4 of the 5 galaxies within the quintet are locked in a cosmic dance of repeated close encounters. Massive foreground galaxy clusters magnify and distort the light of objects behind them, permitting a deep field view into both the extremely distant and intrinsically faint galaxy populations. The Carina Nebula is one of the largest and brightest nebulae in the sky, located approximately 7,600 light-years away in the southern constellation Carina. Nebulae are stellar nurseries where stars form. The Carina Nebula is home to many massive stars, several times larger than the Sun.